Good evening, everyone. Uh, Today's video is we will talk about Hypertext Preprocessor, or also known as PHP. And before we get started, uh, let's let's start with the intro. As what I said earlier, we will talk about PHP. PHP is a programming language that allows web developer to create dynamic content that interact with the database. PHP started out as a small open source project that involved as more and more people found out how useful it was. And Rasmus Lerdorf unleashed the first version of PHP way back in the year 1994. And I will show you the example embedded in HTML. This is the example of the embedded PHP using HTML. PHP is integrated with a number of popular databases including MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, and Microsoft SQL. There are characteristics of PHP. The 5 important of characteristics makes PHP practical nature possible. The number 1 is simplicity. It means PHP provides a lot of predefined functions to secure your data. It is also compatible with many third parties, and PHP easily integrate with other. In PHP script, there is no need to include libraries like C, special compilation directive like Java. PHP engine starts execution from this and skip sequence end execution in this as a closing escape sequence. In PHP script, there is no need to write main function, and also can work with PHP without creating class. And the second one is the efficiency. PHP introduced resource allocation mechanism and more pronounced support for object-oriented programming, in additional to session management features, eliminating unnecessary memory. And the third is security. Several trusted data encryption options are supported in PHP predefined function set. You can use a lot of third-party applications to secure our data, allowing for securing our application. And the fourth one is flexibility. You can say that PHP is a very flexible language. Because of PHP is an embedded language, you can embed PHP script with HTML, JavaScript, WML, XML. PHP script can run in any device like mobile phone, tablet, laptop, PC, because PHP script is executed on the server, then after sending to the browser of your device. And lastly is familiarity. if you are in programming background, then you can easily understand the PHP syntax, and you can write PHP script because of most of PHP syntax inherited from other language like C or Pascal. And lastly is why we study about PHP, why I am studying PHP. It's because PHP is one of many server-side languages you can learn to build a website. It joins other languages such as Java, ASP.NET, Ruby. PHP consistently demonstrates its ability to scale the largest website uh, while at the same time I'm having an easier learning. Thank you for listening, and that's all I know about PHP or Hypertext Preprocessor. Thanks for watching.